In this video, I'll share exactly how you can make your own printable alphabet coloring page to sell in your shop or any marketplace. You don't have to be a graphic designer or an artist, and it's super fun and easy to create. So let's get started. So now I'm in Canva. All you have to do is create a design and go to custom size. We'll do 8.5 by 11 inches. The bigger the better for kids coloring pages. Click create new design. Now that you're here, just go ahead and go to text, or you can also click letter T on your keyboard, and we'll do letter C today. I'm just going to change the font to a little bit fatter or thicker font, like Spartan or League Spartan. And then I'm going to change the color to white so kids can actually color the inside of the letter. And go to effects. Now use outline and change the outline color to black and a little bit thinner border, and that's it. Now you have this. You can put it anywhere you want. So maybe over here, like so. Now next thing is going to elements and finding stuff or images or graphics that starts with letter C. Say for example, cat. And make sure that they can color the image, so it should be either black and white or just an outline drawing of a cat. So you can put a cat outline or even just cat, and just make sure that they can color that one. If you're new to Canva and if you're on a free account, just make sure that you don't use this pro images, because you'd have to pay for it if you're going to use it in the final output. So just make sure that you're not using that. So maybe we can try this cat. It's cute. And we can put it over here, maybe flip it like this, right? Now let's say candy. Now just make sure that we find something that they can color. Now we can put it here and say cactus. All right, let's use this one. All right, car. This one's okay. I'm gonna put it over here. And you can make it bigger or smaller. It's up to you. And candy cane. It should be nice. And here we go. You can use this and put it here like this. Maybe something like that. Crow. Let's do this one. And that. Flip it like this. What else can we put on this one? I had, cherries, right. Okay, we can change that to black. We can put cherries over here. Flip it like this. Let's see what else we can find. Cupcake. We can move it like this. Cupcake over here. We can also do carrots. All right, so if you want to fill some spaces over here, what you can do is just use some of the other stuff. And I know it's not like starts with letter C, like the stars or the hearts that you want. So just make sure that it's, tiny enough to fill in the gaps or fill in the spaces. So you can use this. Just make it smaller, something like this. Then copy it again, duplicate them. Make it a little bit smaller, maybe this time, or like this. Or let's do a heart shape. Okay, let's make it black, a little smaller. You can put it over here. All right, don't worry, we're almost done. It's just some small stuff that we can do to make this a little bit interesting. If you're satisfied with your design, go ahead and save it. But we can also do like a border. Let's see what we have here. See, I have a border here. You can find borders here on Canva. Just search for borders and you will find lots of borders. And I have that one over here, but I want to send it to back so it's not covering any of the other stuff. So I can do it like this. This is actually pretty done. Well, I'm satisfied with this one. So all that's left to do is go to share and download. And you want to make sure that it's of high quality. So the best quality would be the PDF files. So it's either standard or print. And then just hit on download and you're done. So it's easy as that, and you can do all of this in a few minutes. Just find those images that corresponds to the letters that you're creating and compile it. And once you've compiled it, you can sell it anywhere. And that's it. Thanks again for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more content like this. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Also, leave a comment down below and let me know what you thought of this video. Your feedback is always appreciated. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.